Welcome everyone. First of all, I would like to apologize for my broken English, and I hope you don't mind if I make some mistake. And in my how-to video, we will see how to make a nice map out of the SteetSeen data. Now we need to download all the data. We go to my research, we go to our research, then we go to analyze and download. We download the full result file in CSV format. Okay, that's all. We go back in Google Drive, then we create a new spreadsheet. Now we go in File, Import. We search our file, which is located on the desktop, for result. Okay. Open. Replace. Now separator character is comma. We import. Okay, first of all we need to create a sheet with all the data of voters. You can see here we have the coordinates, latitude and longitude about the people who vote on our survey. We select both column, then right click or control click and copy. We create another sheet, click on the first row, right click, paste. First of all, we need to extract unique value. Now we copy this one, Command C, Command V. Okay, we have the name of the fields. Now we will use a nice function which is called unique equal unique array. We click on the first column, then we go at the end of the array of data. Then we press and hold Shift, then click on the last cell. We add a parenthesis at the end of the formula of the function, then we press Enter. Okay, so we need to know how many times we receive votes from a single location. The count. We need to enter 3 elements. First of all, the database range, then the field we need to count, then the criteria to extract the data and count the data. Okay, the database, this time we need to include also the labels, so we click on the cell A1, we scroll down until the last cell, then we press and hold Shift, then we click on the last cell. Okay. Then we add a semicolon. The field we would like to count is the first one, which is fine. Criteria. We select from B1 to A2. Okay, it's good. We close the function with a parenthesis, then press Enter. Okay, this means that for this latitude and this longitude we have 38 votes. Now we have to modify this function in order to get all the data. We need to make all this reference absolute, so we add a dollar symbol before the reference of the column and row. Then here, 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 also here, here, and B1. We leave relative A2 because we need this reference update when we copy the function. Okay, we press enter, then we select again, we grab this handle and we go until the end of the data. Now, as you can see, all the function include every data. We just need the amount of data, the amount of vote just for this record. So we do one trick. Our trick is, then we click here, equal this one. Then we add a simple operation here. This one minus this one. Okay? We grab the handle and we go until the last cell with data. That's it. You can see if we select everything, as this area is selected, right click, we copy, we go here, right click, and we pass special just values. Okay, they overwrite the function, as you can see here. We can delete this column. Okay, nothing happened. We make a label. Here we still have some function, so we select the area and we do the same. Click, copy, left click, right click, sorry, paste special, oops, values only. We can now delete this one. Okay, we rename it voters. Then we need another sheet with the location and their position. We want the chosen one. Okay, copy, add, right click, paste. Okay, image URL, right click, copy, click, right click, paste. Okay, then we copy the labels, Command C, Command B, and now we use the same function, equal unique. The array is from the first cell of the data until the last one, then click on the last cell. Okay, we add a parenthesis at the end, enter. We select, for convenience, all the column, right click, copy, right click, paste special, paste value only. Okay, then, done. We can delete all of these. Rename, we call it location. Oops. Now we need to separate these two sheets into different files. What we do is to go to File, make a copy. This one we call location. Now we need to have just one tab, which is location. Okay. we select voters, we delete it, okay, we select this one, we delete it, okay, that's it. Then we go back to the original one, we rename it as voters, okay. Now we do the opposite, we delete location, and this one. Okay, now we have here voters and here location. It's time to go to Google Maps. Go to My Places. And then we use this new function, this new map engine slide. We create a new map. Okay. Now we start importing locations. We rename this layer as location. Okay. And we import all data from Google Drive. We select location, select. Now you choose latitude and you say this value, the system following this column is the latitude. Then you choose longitude and you say the value you find there is the longitude. Okay, then we continue. We choose the titles, we choose it, then we finish. Okay, on this layer we all have our nice location. If we click on this, we get the link, then we click, we can go to the images from Street View. Now we can modify something, use this, we choose another icon, and there is, I think, this nice icon with the camera. Okay, and now we have all our, we add another layer, we call it voters, and we import data from the other spreadsheet. Voters, select. We say that this label is latitude, this one is longitude, continue, number of votes, finish. And we have got some votes from the United States. The majority of them, of my votes on my survey, is from Italy. We can zoom in to see more in detail how. Okay, when we click here, you can see the number of voters for this location. You rename the map. And now you can share your map. Now it's just private. You can make it public on web. It's done. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you find this useful. Thank you. Bye.